Creating document types. Document types are used for purposes of controlling users' editing access with different types of information, and then using roles to give users different permissions to those documents. To create a new document type, click the Document Type submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter a name, and an optional description. If the document type needs to have approval routing, then select one or more routing approvals to link, then click Insert, then click Save. Setting up approval routings are covered in a separate video. After the document type has been created, it will be highlighted red. This is to indicate that no user roles have editing permission. Click the Role Manager link to open the User Roles page. Set the document type permissions for each role that needs to edit, approve, or comment in the document. At least one role must have editing permission. If no other roles have any permissions set, they will have read-only access. Next time a document is created, the new document type will be available for selection, and the relevant permissions applied in the document for each user role.